So you're taking your Indian documents to Spain. Nice. Here's the fastest, simplest way. With Value Attestation Service, we will help you to get your document apostille and attestation done at Value Attestation Service. First, what's an apostille? It's a Hague Convention stamp that tells Spain your Indian document is legit. No embassy legalization after this. Step 1. Notary from Delhi. Notary public attestation is usually first. Quick stamp, done. Step 2. SDM or HRD. If not for higher studies, go SDM. Marriage, work, general use. It's faster. If for higher studies, choose HRD. Some states demand HRD too. Rajasthan, Goa, Punjab, Haryana. Educational documents often need university verification first. Commercial documents start at the Chamber of Commerce, then move on. Step 3. MEA Apostille in New Delhi. You can't submit directly. MEA uses outsourced centers like Value Attestation Services. Step 4. Translate for Spain. Get a sworn Spanish translation after apostille. Spain accepts apostilles but requires Spanish. Timelines, usually 5 to 6 working days with translation, depends on verification and state rules. Study, degree, transcripts, PCC, medicals, marriage and family, birth, single status, PCC, marriage, divorce, death certificates, business, GST, power of attorney, PAN, Aadhaar, personal, birth, death, marriage, affidavits. We Value Attestation Service handle pan-India paperwork. University checks, state HRD, SDM, MEA in Delhi. So you don't run around. We can apostille all documents issued from India, educational or non-educational. How to start? Contact us on 7836827082 with document TN and your purpose. Study, visa, marriage, or business. They confirm the route. SDM, HRD, or Chamber for Commercial. Submit originals where needed. They manage the MEA queue. Receive apostilled documents, then get sworn Spanish translation. That's it. India to Spain, the clean way. Need help? Hit Value Attestation Service at www.valueattestation.com.